Google has officially launched a brand new AI-powered laptop category called Googlebook. And many experts believe this could become the future replacement for Chromebooks. But this is not just a normal laptop. Googlebook is built completely around Google's Gemini AI system, making AI the core experience of the device itself. One of the biggest features is the new magic pointer. Simply hover your cursor over something and Gemini can instantly suggest actions. Hover over a date to create a calendar event, highlight text to ask AI questions, or even compare and edit images instantly using AI. Google is also combining Android and Chrome-like features together, allowing users to run Android apps more smoothly and connect their phones directly with the laptop ecosystem. The company has partnered with brands like Acer, Asus, Dell, HP, and Lenovo to launch these AI-focused laptops globally. Supporters believe Googlebook could completely change how people use computers, while critics say Google may be pushing too much AI into daily life. But one thing is clear: the AI laptop battle between Google, Microsoft, and Apple has officially begun.